my God. Hello. Morning, afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Guys, I think there's a fuck up with the times on the block. And I think you must change the settings. If your block does not look like this, please adjust the settings 1 hour back on the MSG3 block by simply going to settings on top, going to MSG3 and changing your time from 1300 to 1200. Is that clear? Daai blok close nie. Is that clear what I just said? My blou blok is nog steeds besig om te vorm. What did I just say? Did you listen? You should set it to 1200. Guys, here is my settings. Here's my settings. It stays 9 a.m. because the UK daylight savings will only kick in 2 weeks from now. Okay, so just change this one to 12. MSG3, the second one, changing from 1300 to 12. Alright, I'm currently running in a buy as well, which I'm going to close. I just closed my buy, and I'm going to wait for you guys. Let's go. As die swing indicator al release, ek kon nie laas Sondag join nie, gaan om dit te verduidelik nie. Okay, well, die live is available vir julle om dit deur te gaan. Okay. I'm having fun with my microphone. Dit was gister. Gister, 4 hour swing strategy explained. Dus die video is lang. Dit was gister. Op MT5 is ek nie seker nie, maar stel hom net 1 uur terug. Die MSG 3 blok, nie die oggendtyd nie, die middagtyd, stel het net 1 uur terug. Alright, so like allemaal se blokkie nou so. Thanks guys. It's great to be back as well, I must say. Guys, the New York session is already open, together with the London session still open. We will be seeing the stocks open at 15:30 today, so in 1 hour. New York stocks will open in 15:30, not 16:30, as always. So 15:30. So yeah. Sorry for the guys that's working. You must tell your boss that you've got some boss stuff to do. Okay. I told my boss I'm going to leave my job to start trading. Now I have 2 jobs. Trading and explaining to my wife where the money went. Okay, remember that joke. I wonder now. Let's see if we're going to get a red or green block. Settings. There's it. Natasha Fischer sê vir ons, my blok wil nie opbou groei nie. Klink dis my bankrekening. Maar anyway, ek weet nie of jy nou net gejoin het hier, maar daar is die tye, jy moet dit gaan verander. Gaan verander net die MSG 3 blokkie, verander hierdie 13 op jou skerm na 12 hier toe. Okay. What is the minimum deposit to? Don't trade with money you cannot risk to afford. No. It's for the rest of summer in America. For the rest of their summer. I use depends. Sometimes 4 hours, sometimes 5 minutes. Deel, ek volg al van die 4am daar af. Jou groei is 'n inspirasie, baie dankie. Toe was ek Billy the Kid. I was known as the gunslinger, Billy the Kid at the 4am club. Middag. Ja, genre, ek onthou jou naam en van. Guys, as julle klaar met hierdie, as julle klaar, are you guys finished? Is $250 genoeg, meer as genoeg, want jy krijg 100% deposit bonus ook, en dan nog extra, ek het die, minder, ek het die, maar jy krijg deposit bonus ook, meer as genoeg. Swing your ball around, that's it. Kom eens 'n bietjie kyk hierso. Wat sê Stefan? Stefan vir ons goeie nuus.
Hallo, ek het gehoor, jy kan sê die MSG3, Tinus sê hy sien op jou live het jy die tyd gechange na 'n uur vroeër wat hy eindig. Ons het gister gesê ons hou hom op wat hy was, so hy's nog nie gechange vir die.
Nee, ons moet hom hou soos hy was, né? Behalwe die tweede gedeelte moet ons van 1300 na 1200. So die MSG 3 blok van 9 uur die oggend tot 12 uur op TradingView. So die 1 uur die middag skuif ons nou 1 terug, want New York maak ons nou 2 uur die middag oop. Hey man, jy het gesê jy kort geld, hoe sit ek die geld terug? Nou wat nou? Moet julle nie kakkidees kry nie. Kan julle die MSG ook gebruik vir silwer? Natuurlijk. Ek dink jy holle op silwer. Oh god, hier is niks daar dan nie. Giet, hallo? Wat gaan hier aan? Hallo? Soos jy kan sien, werk baie mooi op silwer. Jy het nie eers candlesticks nodig nie. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. Close without saying bye. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Hierdie lou is nog nie gesweep op olie nie, so hulle mag dalk seel en hom sweep en dan gaan die blokkie ook groen word, rooi word. Fun times. Waar kan ek 'n trade insit? Olie. Kom ons vat 'n kans. Take a chance on me. The feeling's free. Can you please go up? Guys. What are you doing? There's it. I normally take a trade once the block turns colors. You can if you have a big account. Because you might sit with a drawdown. Ja, okay, cool. Anything else, guys? As julle klaar hier so? As julle klaar hier? Daar so. Wat is dit waar julle wil wees? Okay. Ene gaan 'n pers, wie hou ene gaan 'n pers dop? USD boy, wie doen wat? Wie hou wat 'n pers dop? It's 9 a.m. Here's at MSG 3. It's 9 and 12 on TradingView. Guys, when I first started seeing these moves, right, it was in these times. Ek weet nie, JJ vir ons, wat gaan aan? Daar 'n blokkie verander, nog nie. How do you trade the MSG method? So normally we wait for it to break out, come back in and then go for it. If you have a big account, we target it already as it breaks. Guys, can I remove this? Okay, you know what? But there is videos on YouTube, me explaining, giving you class on the MSG method and the Lego method together. On mobile. Rock, I don't know. Let's have a look. TradingView. Chart. Gold. Oh man. So you click on the indicator on the app, on the TradingView, you click on the indicator, and then you click on the settings button next to the button, and then you change it. Pretty straightforward. Okay, straightforward. Nou moet ons kyk. Wat wil goud in hierdie blokkie doen? Wat wil hy doen? I think we might see a green block. But hey. The Lego method is all the blocks. The MSG method is only the 2 a.m. block. Guys, come on, while we wait. That's it. I say, kick the chair out, feet up. Now we wait. Bum. We'll see. Let's go, Shalani. Oh, gold just wants to keep on climbing. Nice. I'm live on YouTube and Kick. YouTube and Kick. It's not a bad idea. Song of blue. Song blue. Pump before. Okay. Nice. Yes, you can use it on DEX. You can use it on DEX. German 40 cash. Oh, yeah. Hello, Heidel. Guys, we are live on YouTube and Kick. As it says, hey, we're starting to see rejection in our golden zone there. Push. Project Baby Forex, how's it? Ellen, how's it? Wanneer exposure weer iemand... Oh, Heidel. Ag, dat is wel cool. Maar sien jy wat gebeur, Heidel? Ek moet nie meer seer gaan nie. Dis die eerste keer wat ek vlieg, die eerste keer wat ek uit die land uit gaan, en kyk wat se kak het gebeur. Ish. I shall stay right here in South Africa. How can you help me? That's a good question. That is a good question. If it breaks the golden zone, it means it will go up, but we're seeing signs of rejection here, so. If it goes up, it means it wants to go back to the top here. Hi, Paulie. If it doesn't, it means it wants to come back to the bottom here. Yes, I'll be live at 2 a.m. this morning. I was a bit late. I only went live at 4. Prof, hoe kan ek jou kontak? Kontak my support en dan kan jy hulle net vra. Oh, ja, ek sê op TikTok, ek vergeet. Morning trade. Oh, on YouTube, yes. Yes, hallo, wat is hy, Boeta? Jy het al julle geld gevat. Nou is dit... Dankie, Mr. Ockers. Song of blue. What do you think of trading US oil now? Well, it's a good time to buy oil, isn't it? Prof, did you close all your positions? Yes, I closed all my buy positions. On gold. Ek weet nie, ek wacht nou eens in a gold en so we'll know what gold will do pretty soon. Is MSG only for gold? No. How's it, Prof? Lucky you guys. You can use it on many markets. Are you back home, so brother? Yes, I'm back in the office. Where I belong. Do you hold gold long term? Yes, but unfortunately I got stopped out of my swing position, so I do not have a trade open. I got stopped out in the profits. So it does work on some synthetic markets, not sure which ones. Should ask Tinas and them, they use it on synthetics. Is there no bot, meneer? Yes, soon the swing strategy bot will be live. But that bot, you need a big equity in your account and you need to run it on a virtual machine or a VPS. So it's quite costly. You can also contact me for MSG Synthetics. Yeah, there's 216 Synthetics. You guys can just DM me. What capital, Prof? Minimum $2,000 per 0.01. That's high risk. Medium risk is 0.01 per $3,000. And low risk is 0.01 per $5,000. But it aims to do 30 to 40% growth. That is its aim. And yeah, so it's building a portfolio. It's not trading like you guys think. Werk MSG Method op cellphone ook? Yes, ek het tweede plek gevat met die Dubai Trading Cup met my cellphone. In the MSG Method op hom. You can use it on a lot of markets. King, you need to go back test what markets you like trading and see if it works there for you, bro. But yeah, a lot of guys use it on synthetics as well. Guys, why the fuck is the market so slow, man? Are we buying or selling? Nothing yet, guys. We're in that level. Look what it's doing. Price went to that golden zone and just stopped there. So we're going to have to wait. We'll probably push above it, over it, but we need to make sure, right? We need to make sure. Yes, not at 3 a.m. Ziglet. I'm live at 2 a.m. and 2 p.m. now. Why bullish or bearish for 3? Next session at 3. No, guys. 2. New York starts at 2 p.m. It's daylight savings is finished. It's summer in America now. So from today, it's 2 a.m. and 2 p.m. Until the summer is finished and daylight savings kicks in again, then it's 3 a.m. and 3 p.m. Why is my MSG like that? Like what? Like what? Don't be confused with this. That's the FIP. Yes. Silver direction, not sure. We're not sure. We are waiting. It's currently in the zone. Let's see what happens in 4 minutes. Trump maak kak, man. Prof, why don't we organize a tournament here in Cape Town? We must sit down and see. We are going to organize one in Cape Town. JJ, if you use a ultra low standard count, there's no swap fees. But no, on the standard account, the swap fees won't be high on the 0.01. Error fix, all that. Hoe verander ons dit op MT5? Nie seker nie. Shit. Stefan, maak 'n update nou so julle kan die nuwe een gaan download op die webwerf binnekom. Alright, baby forex. Hey guys, does any of you know leadership? Leadership from Joburg. Does any of you know him? Stefan Potgieter, jy moet my vernoot Stefan Potgieter kontak. Kontak net sy pot en sê jy moet Stefan. Leadership, Monla, yeah, I think his name is Monla. Do you guys know him? I need his personal number. Yeah, no, I don't. Zaim, I don't. I don't know. I just want to have a conversation with leadership. Where's whose cause? Just PCs, I'm. Unless you rent a virtual machine, like it's $10 a month. Do you know what cars? I don't know. I'm not good with names, man. Who is a scam? Gareth Jones says he's a scam. Ooh, leadership. CBI gold prediction looks like a stronger dollar, eh? Looks like a stronger dollar on Wednesday. Do I just need to fund my affiliate XM account? Yes. That's right. going to target this sell. Stop loss here, I think. I'll put the baby one in. I'll put one in on this dollar account. See what happens. Let's see what happens. How much am I risking? 80. Let's see. Ready to sell after the 5 a.m. after just to the bottom of the box. Nice. Guys, you should not be trading. You should be waiting for the MSG method block to turn color. Alright, we need this to break first. What's up? Are we buying? No, not yet. Can you help me from starting as a beginner? Yes, go to t1onlytraders.com. There's a free beginner course for you there. Drop off to die Oxygen Live. Nee, net 2 uur middag en 2 uur oggend. Proof to set up an in-person education session here in Cape Town. Maybe we can look at something like that. We look at something to do in Johannesburg, Pretoria, or Johannesburg and Cape Town. Oh. Yeah, well, that's what is expected. I mean, a weaker dollar was expected for NFP. It happened that way, and a stronger dollar is expected for CPI. Are you saying South Africa? Yes, I came back the day before the nonsense started, and Stefan, my partner, he got back yesterday morning. Oh, has he been exposed by a rival too? Oh, okay. Oh, no, well, fuck it. Then I don't want to talk to him. You guys here on TikTok, I am on YouTube Live and Kick, where you can see my charts as well. Hey, what's happening with our cell? Hey, what's happening? Oh, it's running in profits. We must see. If you updated this morning, it won't look right. You need to update it again. I showed everyone. You need to go to Trading View, and you're going to go to Settings, and you need to change this one, the MSG 3 block. You leave it at 9 a.m., but the 1300 you're going to change to 1200. You can find the beginner's course on t1onlytraders.com. You can find it here. Go to courses, go to mine, and these are free. You just need to log in and create an account on T1 Only Traders. So far we have 1,600 students with a rating of 4.9 out of 5. So, you find it here on T1 Only Traders. Hey, do we just take this or do we keep it? Because we're not supposed to be in a trade, but we are selling, so what do we do here? So I just take this profit, guys. It's halfway to the TP. If you guys have any issues or any problems or need assistance, just DM me on TikTok or contact the support. They will assist you very nicely, I promise you. Prof, doen jy mentorship? Ek het nie tyd om one-on-ones te doen nie, boys. Die meeste wat ek eendag gemaak het was actually live op TikTok. Was 180, het was met FOMC. Toe die eerste keer die rate gekat het met 50 basis points. Was 180 plus $10,000. So 360 plus another, so I think it was 720. Free aunt. I'm just going to close this sale, take the profit. Fuck it. We should not even be in that trade. I just saw the rejection of the golden zone here, and I didn't want to break past, so I just took the sell. What's the VWAP? Guys, I can't explain the VWAP to you because Stefan showed it to me. I haven't really used it. So yeah, my knowledge on it is not a lot. We'll ask Stefan to do a session with you guys. Normally the direction for the day. High probability. Okay. Move there for now. Oh, no. You come this side. I have too many trading accounts open. Victor Police, what you want? Will you help me become rich? Only you yourself can help you to do that, my man. Sit hier. Boys, it's extremely high. You can backtest it and then you can look for yourself. Guys, look here. Get onto. I'm live, so I'm sharing my screens. So go to YouTube, T1FX Team on YouTube, or the Professor on kick.com, and I'll see you guys there because you can see my charts as well, right? So go to YouTube, look for T1FX Team. You'll see me live there where you can see my charts as well and the trades I take. All right. Hallo?
Ja, stuur my jou e-mailadres asseblief, mevrou Soekert.
Hoi, hoi.
Okay, bye.
All right, guys, it's been updated. The TradingView one, you can just install the updated. The update is available. Stefan updated it, and then MT5, you can go download it on the website. The new times is fixed. Yeah, I'm trying to, bro. We are trying to. Is this thing now really going to just sell? Kom julle hierso. Boys, maak my wakker wanneer die blokkie kleur verander asseblief. Lol. Yeah, just update it, guys. So you can just remove it from your trading view charts and then put it back on and you'll see the update is available. Kan ek MSG op silver gebruik ook? Ja, jy kan. Alright, Liam, thank you for the info, but I don't trust prop firms. I have prop firm issues. Oh no. Wat soek ek hier bo? Moet ek hier onder wees nie? Kom ek hier onder toe. Hoor, ek was mos toe ek my trading account wys. So was ons daar bo. Nice. Okay, let's go. Synthetic subscription, don't worry about it, I'm gonna remove it. But that is for synthetic signals. Which Jean and Francois and Mel give signals on, or market insights, as you would like to call it. Hoe hectic was US oil se jump geweest nie, was fucking awesome en ek was hier daarin nie. Ja, opportunity missed, but hey, it's alright. At least I can say I didn't want to buy oil because I'm hoping for the world that the oil prices drop. That's my excuse. Why? Why? Gold is still selling. Buyers tried to push it up, but they failed. I deleted from my trading view and then go to indicators and add it back. Yes, then you'll see a purple circle next to the name for an update. You update it. Last minute of the 5-minute candle, the buyers are trying to push it up. Boys, middag prof my MSG blok hou aan groter word. Throw the indicator off your trading view. Guys, can everyone do this, please? Throw the indicator off trading view, delete it. Then add it back. Let's do it together. You delete it here. Remove. You come to indicators. You click on it. Once you click on it, you will see this purple circle here. You just click the update available circle, update to the latest version, and what the fuck? This is calm. MSG3 didn't change. MSG3 must be 12, not 1. It must be 12 and not 1. Robin's Cup, I don't know, I don't like it. Guys, here's gold dropping more from our golden zone. How vat en nou, dankie, daar sê. I did update it, I promise. Well, fuck. That's nie vandag. Jy kan MSG op MT5 ook sit. Yes, die updated een is op die website. Ek hoop maar so. Vra vir FX kode. Is hy seker die regte een is op MT5? Ja, definitief. So, onthou daai strategie is 'n swing strategie. So as jy jou uithaal, dan gaan jy weer inklim. Jy gaan dan wag weer vir die volgende vorige candle en dan gaan jy inklim weer 'n keer met 'n 1 2 3 risk to reward. So sometimes that strategy does take a loss, but normally with the back testing we've seen, you make it back. FX code while he's here, Stefan is FX code. Stefan sê gou vanaand vir my, die indicator vir die swing strategie, kan ons vir die ouens 'n indicator maak vir ons met klein kans wat die swing strategie wil gebruik. So dis nie 'n bot nie, dis net 'n indicator wat die buy signal gaan gee. Ja, maar hoe gou sal ons kan? That's the question. Quick question. Is it normal to have a delay or lag between your trading view and MT5? Yes. I don't know why trading view does it. There's a little bit of a delay. I have the same. But trading view we only use for sketches and drawings because we want an open chart. Like, you see my chart on gold on MT5? It's clear. There's nothing drawn on it. No indicators, nothing. So we execute trades on MT5 and we just draw and mess on trading view. Alright guys, Wednesday the indicator will be done for the swing strategy to assist you guys. To make the trading accounts available on trading view, no, they don't. Because they have millions and millions of clients and they have a deal with MT5 that is giving them a good price because XM must pay for every person's trading account every month, even if you are not active. They must pay per person, so yeah. And I also wouldn't want that because it defies the purpose, because then I'm going to look for something else to go draw on. Because the place where I execute my trades and so forth, the final decision I make before entering a position is like on a naked chart with just a candle. So, are you looking for sales? Not really. I just entered again, but I'm risking what I made from that block. I was $50 in the profit, but it's going to take me out at $40. I'm risking $40. But it's definitely taking me out. Yeah. Also only execute on MT5. Loading. Did you take the trade already? No, man, I took the trade, was on top here. And I climbed out. And then I entered again here, but I have a very, very tight stop loss. Just above this candle. I'm going down. Shit. So relax. Guys, you guys must wait for the block to change color. Me, I'm just messing around here. Taking happy. Klein happies. My trading view is 2 times 5 minute candles after. No, fuck. There's something wrong with your stuff. It's not. It's like guys, it's like a 1 second delay. Not fucking 10 minutes. Yeah, time is reg. UTC plus 2. I'm also running UTC plus 2. It's a 1 second delay, man. Well, like, look, if I put them side by side. Here's the 5 minute candle. Here's the 5 minute candle. It's like a 1 second delay. See? Yeah, 1 second, exactly. It's not a lot. Is prys 5105 op joune? Nee, fuck jong. There's a big problem there. Yeah, the trip to Dubai was nice. Wasn't that bad. It was nice. Oh, can the block break, man? We've waited already an hour and 8 minutes. Make sure you don't have the gold indices and change it to futures. Oh, yeah, that can make sense. Sorry, guys. Fully. I know. Hoe kan jy die MSG kry? T1fxteam.com. T1fxteam.com. Also, 50,000 Rand a month we give away. We give away 50,000 Rand a month to the top 5 traders at T1FX Team. Let me show you guys. Also, T1FX Team is an app you can install on your PC or your mobile. It's an app you can install. You go to the website and you install it. Alright, let's have a look quickly at T1FX Team here. If you go to community and you go to competition, we have this competition every single month. Top 5 gets points. You earn points by trading gold, silver, and Bitcoin. And the top 5 gets paid. Top 5 gets paid. First place gets 30,000 Rand. Second to fifth each get 5,000 Rand. We pay it every month out on the second or the third. Okay, very important. You must register on our website. You must just have a profile so that your name can be here and not a number, because how must I pay an account number? Okay. So if you're in the top 5 by the end of the month, so David, Johan, Armin, Tony, and this is also Johan. Yeah. Okay. But then other than that dashboard, once you've created a profile, you'll see the MSG method for trading view right here. Okay. Man, who said that? Now, let me take this box. Look at oil again. Close. if you already have an XM account, you can just log in with your current details by XM and just add another trading account. You can have many trading accounts under your one account by XM and just use the partner code T1000. Transfer your funds to that one and that account will be affiliated. If you use the partner code T1000, you'll get money back for every trade you take that's open longer than 3 minutes. Every morning at 4 a.m., the money of the previous day of all your trades that you earn, the commission, it gets paid into your wallet by XM Global. Moet ek trades upload of gaan outomaties daar? Waarvan praat jy? En dan was 'n wow, weet jy wat was die wow nie? Kort whisky. Ek dink ek moet weer whisky begin drink. Dink ons moet weer whisky begin drink, want hierdie sessies raak nou te lank. Whisky en sigare. Daar weet ek 'n lekker bank. Ons kan chill. Kompetisie se moet ek trades upload of gaan hy outomaties daar? Outomaties. Maar jy moet op die account trade wat jy mee jou account oopmaak op ons website. Jy sê wanneer jy vir jou account register op ons website, gaan jy jou account nommer moet insit. Nou, daai account nommer, jy trade net, hy doen dit outomaties. XM permanently banned my account years ago when I didn't know much about trading. Now I can't make a new account with them. Is there a solution to still join your program? Yes. You can just contact my support and let them contact me and send them your email that you used, if you can remember, or account number or anything, and then I can get your account unblocked. Why? Because I am the professor. Prof, die micro ultra low standard account op XM, wat is die best lot size of preferred lot size vir $50 accounts 0.01? 0.01. You're going to have to be happy by making sense, because you'll always only lose sense as well. Hoe kry die MSG Prof op ons website? My guys, het ek het net gewys, waar is my website? Fuck, ek het hom toegemaak. Hier sê. Hierso, by T1FX Team, hier is ons website, wel, hier is die app. Maar jy moet eers inlog, jy moet vir jou account kry, dan sal jy alles sien. Hierso is hy net, hierso, Training View MSG Indicator, including the Lego method. Also, if you download it now, you're going to request access. It will be the updated one. How do you contact me? You contact me through, you can either try to join the WhatsApp group, or you can come here to WhatsApp, contact support, and then if it's urgent, they will contact me and give you my number. Okay. Back to the charts. So now I have 0 trades in with you guys. Nothing. Nothing on that account. Nothing on this account. What about my other account? Let me look. Oh, gaan ek nou daai kry. Where do you find your wallet on XM? Good question. You go to more. Once you're logged in, you go to more, you scroll down, and you'll see deposit, withdraw, and you'll see my wallet. Like, look, for this week so far, my total balance I've earned is $56.46. That's what I have made back, like you guys. Okay. But remember, I trade a bit more. My lot sizes is a bit bigger. Well, gave a signal, probably a flip and buy signal. No. Oh, a sell signal. No, fuck, can't be, man. Can't give a signal yet. Or did it? it depends what risk to reward ratio I aim for. Guys, by the way, if you want to see how the 4-hour swing strategy is performing, so this month so far, you just type in here by XM by the copy trading T1 portfolio. It has done 6.42% for this month of March so far. Okay. 100% win rate, obviously, because it's me. But anyway, blah, blah, blah. So March is a good month so far, and the account's climbing nicely. Okay, 6.42% so far for March. Very, very good. That is what the bank will give you in a year, and that's what we aim for. Is this on the website now? Yes, it is. Oh, on MSG2. Nah, I don't care about MSG2. What did you make me do? Oh, I see. No, but it already gave this on MSG2 year already. It's probably just going for this low now, hopefully. Ek weet nie, is maar onteewe, hè? Dit is erg maar onteewe. Dag of nag. Ek voel as minder manipulasie in die oggend. Met die MSG blok in die oggend. As in die middag, want nou trade ons in London en New York saam. London session en New York is nog oop. And should we trade the MSG Bitcoin? I don't know. I don't have Bitcoin by me. Let me have a look here. Leave it. But yeah, Bitcoin can buy. What is this? Well, gold. That I'm never gonna over leverage again. And I'm not gonna risk what I'm happy to lose. Those are the rules that really helped me a lot. And also I don't just jump in, I make double sure. The largest drawdown I've ever had, the biggest loss I've ever had was $75,000. What are you looking for? What? But in general, drawdowns I've had. I've had a lot. A lot of drawdowns. Biggest win was live on TikTok with the FOMC. It was 3 accounts. Yeah, bro, but I learned my lesson and never again. I never did it again. I never went that big again. It's not worth it. You'll see your ass. The gate there. Did you open? Who's is there? Fuck. Who's holding the cells from this block? I make my biggest win of 20K. I'm down in my trading journey. Yeah, never. Ever. That is calm. If you know how much I have withdrawn, you will skirk. But we don't show it because we don't want you to think you are going to do the same. And that 75K I lost, I made it back within a month. I traded small, I traded slowly, I made it all back within a month. $66 profit. Wow, nice. Someone before the block even changed. What do you mean, how do you deal with them? You pay your shit, bro. Pay your stuff. It's part of the game. We can see volatility in 4 minutes and stocks is opening. Yes, a lot better. Tuesdays, Wednesdays, a lot better. Friday's also not bad. I think the worst day to trade is a fucking Monday, to be honest. Three more minutes. We're going to see some good volatility coming in. Not in you if it's a blue Monday, no, for sure. But it's a struggle. I struggle to make good money. How much is this account in profit? This account's now only $724 for the day in profit. Yes, we be live every day. Can you use the 4 hour for scalping? You can. Well, that's just going to determine your direction on the higher time frames, right? And you're going to scalp in that direction on smaller time frames. Two more minutes. Bull traps you can easily spot with the volatility in the market and looking for divergence with the MACD. So if your MACD is making lower highs, but the chart's making higher highs, but the candles are getting smaller, then that's how you're going to identify a bull trap pretty quickly. And vice versa. Direct sell on CPI, I don't know. The data isn't that big, so it can go either way. But it's expected a stronger dollar, yes. The MSG 3 block is valid till the next day. Only the 3 a.m. or 2 a.m. block, which is not valid for so long. Silver a buy. Okay. Until the next 3 p.m. block. Yeah, MSG1 is only valid, I would say, 4 hours. That's where I found the best results. Yes, that is correct. Oil is moving fast. US 100 on that. What is oil doing? Oh man, it's dropping. It's going to sweep that low. And then it will turn the block red. Let's see, it's in that block again. Yeah, let's see. A lot of buying power came in. The New York stocks had opened. So let's see. It might actually break this block. We'll see. Well, it hasn't changed color yet. Oh wow, so you're in a drawdown. Shit. It's rejecting off this block again. But I don't think it's gonna reject completely. I think it's just testing 5-1 and it might go up. We'll see. See, it can actually pull this whole red candle back in this minute. Or not. Oh. Oh, yes, in prof. Okay, I see. Where you climbed it. Looks like we might have a red block. Let's see. Let us see. We want to see like a proper break, and then we can pull our fib out, and it will be from this level to wherever she wants to turn. Minus alweer. Yeah, it is. Everyone is red. We'll see now. 2 minutes left for a 5-minute candle close. But yeah, we want to see a proper break. I want to see it go down more. UTC +2. No, but the times automatically is like 2 hours behind, so just normal GMT or UTC. But the time of the year is UTC +2. But the times the indicator works on UTC. We have a very big block again. Yes, see. $55 block. This morning was almost a $200 block. Yeah, well, I'm in, guys. So I'm going to handle a drawdown. You guys can wait for a pullback. I would love to see a bigger break. I don't like these small breaks. So, but this was a massive 5-minute candle. So, yeah. Yeah. Man, this was such a nice zone. This was such a nice zone for us. Yeah. What a nice long consolidation. Well, let's see. Fuck me, it went to where we pulled the bloody fib in. The only thing I hate, and I really hate this guy, is such a small break. Anyway, we'll see what it does in our block here. Block gets broken, but price never visits the block. How long does it take for you to regard as invalid before you move to the next setups play out after a few days? So the MSG3 block normally wait valid till the next day. MSG1, we've seen the best results if you only make it valid for 4 hours. Patience, guys, patience. No, I'm not looking at silver, guys. No, silver chart don't want to open. I don't know why not. Oh, here it's opening now. Yeah, I don't know what silver is doing. Guys, we're gonna wait to enter here, no? The guys with the smaller account, we're gonna have to wait and see what it does here. If you enter here where we enter, it's $50 drawdown on a 0.01. $50. Ja, dus wag weer eens vir altyd maar vir 'n retest. Want as jy 'n groot account het en jy kan 'n drawdown handle en dan layer jy hom soos hy gebruik het op boontoe. And if it drops, we need to break this zone. So we want to see a long candle breaking this zone. I also have only one small one in. Not stressed, getting bored. I only have a small one in. I haven't really entered more. Oil is buying and gold is selling. Oh, yeah, I wanted to see what oil is doing. It's gonna be a long afternoon. No, nothing. I only have a 0.05 in. So, baby eggs. I'll talk a lot more if it can get to the zone. If it doesn't, it's one of those things. This Zach account has nothing in. Should I add here as well? I don't know. The same way. You calculate it the same way. You can play around with it because it can always be just 1.5 multiply 1.5, for the stop loss and so on. Let's see this Zaragon if I can add something small. One, no man, would one click trading back. $500 account is to win. Because if you do 0.01 and your stop loss is $10 above the block, that's $60 from your entry. That means you just risk 12% of your account with one entry. So even $500 is way too little to just enter here. Come on. Push now to here first and then turn. I'll be adding 1 year, and if it pushes here, 1 more year. 1, 1. Yes, I do. Well, I know where I'm going to exit, so. Yes, I saw. Well, the middle of the block, yes. Are we selling? Well, yes. But not properly yet. We want to see what it does in this block. Okay. Now let's wait and see. So I got two entries in so far. Say again? Ja. But don't worry about it. Wat is jy vir Elijah uitgesoek? Waar? Are we buying? No. No. I'm selling. Well, yeah, it's at that point again. I doesn't want to break it. I think I'm going to close my bottom one and just leave my top one in. Break that low. Please. Thank you. Go. Please break the low. I'm closing my bottom one. I'm going to put my top one on break even. Excuse your kids by school. No, is it enough? Yeah, but I closed the bottom one that I entered. I entered one, yeah. I closed that one in profit and I have this one left. I'm closing both on the ZAR account. It's rejecting of these points here. I don't know. this 5-minute candle must break those lows now. Damn, well, it's flying to planet Mars. Come, long red 5-minute candle. Please, break the zone as well. Yeah, let's see. Fall Rooney, stop breaking here, please, and fall past this level, please. Come, we need you to break this level. Break it. Well, that top one is decent pips so far. 200 pips. No, we don't want you to reject in that zone. We need you to break that zone. It's breaking in that zone, guys. It's breaking in that zone. Break it, man. Come on. Oh, you stoked. Guys, I'm getting out. I'm taking the profits. Let's take the profitas. Not too bad. Not too bad. I would love to see more. I only made 300 now. But I had small ones in. Oh, and the Zara account also made some. Not much, but it made something. It's rejecting of the 200 moving average on the 4 hour. So 200 moving average is laying here as well. So if it breaks it, man, it will fall very far. But it's rejecting of that and of the zone. So. Let's see if we can get another red candle here. It's gonna be hard to break it, but if it does, oh boy. It's 15:30, 14:30, 3:30, 2 on Wednesday, CPI. I think 14:30. I'll double check now, but I think so. Let me check for you quickly. Buck, where is it? Oh, here is it. Yeah, CPI is 14:30. The previous is 0.3%. The expected is 0.2, which is a bit less, which is indicating a stronger, a weaker dollar, actually. Shit. Sorry, it's expecting a weaker dollar. What's the month to month? You see, the month to month is more. The year to year is more. Yeah, so it's some two of the events is expecting stronger dollar. Two of the events expecting a weaker dollar. Well, one of the events expecting a weaker dollar, and then the oil also expecting a weaker dollar. I was just looking at news events. Currently looking for nothing. Just seeing what it's doing. Look, we have this rejection of this block. It's going to be hard to break this block, but if it does, it will fall very far. We kind of wanted this green candle to turn red on the last minute there. Let's see if we can find like a big red candle down. Oh, well, it came back down. No. What's silver doing? Silver idling. Well, didn't make it to Mars. The jet fuel ran out before Mars. When is existing home sales today? I don't like that event. It's not a nice event. Existing home sales is tomorrow. Yeah. Also expecting a stronger dollar. A weaker dollar. Existing home sales tomorrow. But so I don't like that event. Can we see it past this moment? Nope. Rejecting of the VWAP line. Can you guys see? The bottom of this VWAP line, the candles don't want to close below it. You guys see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 5-minute candles straight. And it doesn't want to. So I also hope you guys got out when I got out. Made your little bit. Fuck it. Something. It's Monday. It's also the first session without daylight savings. Jee, maar middag. Lekker tea. Yeah, they definitely didn't give me a call. So why don't they give me a call now? Please. How do I submit that ITB form? I don't even know what ITB stands for. John vra net die tech support om jou te help. Vir Jean te help. Wil jy geef my net jou accountnommer, dan kan ek vir jou kyk. Oh, we're still on for 6 tonight? Yes. What are we going through? No, sorry, we must tell you it's tomorrow. No, Wednesday, sorry. Stefan said the indicator will be right on Wednesday for you guys. Clinton, just contact the WhatsApp number on my website, T1FX team. It's support. They will assist you, bro. They will assist you. Yeah. There's a couple of things what happens. We want to see candles below this line. We see candles below this line and this level, and they retest it without breaking it. I'll enter again. Otherwise, I'm not entering again. We must also know that the low already got swept. Here's the low over here. So from there to there created this low. It broke, made the block red, right? Broke it. Then went back up to high risk only, almost into this, but kind of like into a resistance level key. Because this was a support, right? Almost made it to the golden zone. And then it went and then it swept, right? Then it went and swept this low. So this move has already been completed. So gold can actually just go up as well from here. So I wouldn't enter it again. Definitely not. So be safe. And we made a little bit of money, but I mean, $300 is better than nothing. It's better than nothing. Silver came to low risk, broke out, came to low risk, so might be sweeping there again. Oil doesn't know what they want to do. I think oil might come down actually. Yeah. So we'll just let gold be today. I'm sure we'll have better day tomorrow. Especially everyone adapting to the new times, 2 p.m. the New York Open. A lot of traders make a mess of the first day or first week. So, first day under the belt, we made a little bit this morning and we made a little bit now. So, as long as we made a little bit, then I'm happy. Let's see. Dit enetjie. Yes, sir. When you're green, you can be happy. That is true. But we are seeing a lot of buying power coming in now. And it kind of makes sense. Those candles, they don't want to break the bottom of that VWAP, the sweep that's already been done, and we pulled this block in accurately. It came into the block and just rejected. It didn't even want to close a full body in this block. So I wouldn't even enter it here. If you guys didn't enter and made something over here, then just leave it. It can possibly go here and drop, or it can go there and drop, or it can go up. There's no certainty. All I know is that there's a lot of buying pressure over here. So be careful if you are still gonna try. I'm gonna chill a bit with you guys still, though. I am busy with other stuff, so I am gonna be here. I see what you are doing there. Clinton, there is no way. Is it the right number, bro? There is just no way. What are you looking for? What time do you trade? For anything from 2 a.m. I like to trade market open as well. I just don't go live when market opens because a lot of you guys are not here. There's like 10 people, so. But I actually trade I like trading when the market opens at midnight. See some rejection on this golden zone. Okay, but this is also not the golden zone anymore, right? The golden zone is actually here now. There. So it's kind of like in it. You know what? I just realized we're all here second place when it buy to the expo. Lol, guess. I'm actually kind of seeing something here. Oh, it's actually this. Like that. Then, yeah. Then, yeah. Then, yeah. Then, yeah. But the problem this means this must go there. This is a saxophone. So you guys can see it clearer on this time frame. Can you see? So maybe till here. Till here. And then with volume push through. Or just push through now. But this normally means price wants to head over there. But it can also come like here and bounce still. Like the only thing with this, you don't know when is it gonna stop bouncing. But eventually the break happens to the top side. Now when we see this is because everyone is like unsure of what gold is doing. There's like a lot of uncertainty. Which means that oil should actually be heading up as well. Silver should be heading back up as well. Good to go sweep this high. So we'll see, but normally it happens over here. It's taking U-turn. What is going on? We don't know, bro. We don't know. We don't know yet. Pull this line also. Five 110, definitely agreed. Agreed. We'll see now. I've got the better sketch here on MT5. So we'll see now what happens. I just want to put the MACD in here quickly. What happened to my MACD? This is cool. It actually froze my whole MT5. It's gone. And my MT5's frozen now. So I don't know what the fuck happened there. No. No. Let me try this MT5. Escalate this. Yes, it's in. So, what's happening? Oh, yeah, I made a Mm. 1 big teaspoon yogurt, half a big teaspoon mayo, some sriracha, and then those powders, garlic, mustard, onion. Nice, you're welcome. You see, guys, and here it is. What are we looking for? Whatever it's gonna do, yeah. Nou begin met die. Okay. Coin. It's kind of too late. You guys can. I'm just scalping it, but I'm going quick. Like I'm just scalping in and out here. Like I'm gonna close it already now. It's so difficult because of that hard push up. Like, so it's very high risk. Yeah, there's 12K there. Fuck it. I'm just gonna take it. This thing can just push back up as well. I don't know if it wants to fall. $15,000, 16,000, 17, 18,000. It's just fucking around here. I don't want to close it, man. It's 20K. I think you should just fucking close it. I'm just gonna close it. Man, I hate it when I don't know what the market is gonna do, bro. Fucking hate it. Thank you. Mag net 'n botteltjie koel dan. Maar kan ek van my sap kry? Like, can you guys see? Like, now it wants to push it up again. Yeah, I don't know what it wants to do. And the reason this is so difficult now to sell is because this was a liquidity sweep, right? For these two highs over here. So it's just a liquidity sweep. So many people can sell and hold, and then it just comes back up and takes you out again. Because of the buying power over here and the zone that got rejected. So it's just, yeah, very difficult. Like, the bulls are so in charge of the market right now. So there's this... I can't tell you guys, like, I'm positive, like, buy or positive sell. And the other thing we have is the MSG method was such a shit breakout. Like, it broke out to there, pulled back to high risk, and then swept the low. So this low's already swept. So we can't even say, yeah, target here and target this low. If it didn't come and sweep here, and it just went up to there, then yes, I would have, with confidence, said, okay, guys, we're going to go back down here. But this low's already been swept. And now they're just sweeping this high. But now, like, if you're in the mindset of, okay, a liquidity sweep, so price will drop all the way back down because it came and grabbed the liquidity. So it will fall. But with all this as well, like, there's so much buying power as well. Like, where does a person... Yeah. Prof, if it flips at 50.88 and breaks above 5100, we have a chance. Okay. Not sure what you mean by that. We might have stand a chance for what? If it flips at 50.88? Oh, and break bar. Okay. I hear you. I don't know. I'm waiting now for another chance. I don't know. We'll see. But I don't want you guys to follow because this is so high risk. And you know what? Raptor was actually saying, I think Raptor was saying 4,000. What was Raptor saying? 4,940. And I thought to myself, if it can sweep these highs, it can go to that 4,940. What do you mean by you can set your account down on XM? What do you mean by that? How can I set my account down on XM? Wow, look how much chat I've missed out. Are you in a buy or sell? Currently nothing, guys. It's empty. Currently nothing. Guys, you might get minimized now. I just want to do something. Probably talking about leverage. Yeah, I'm not sure what you meant. If you can just say what you mean. Let's see if I'm gonna be if I'm not right about this, then we call it the stream. If I'm not right about this move, if we don't see this happening, then I think we might want to just call the stream. Toch, man. If this doesn't happen, then we just leave it. Yeah. If it's not this, then we just leave it. We'll rather trade when I'm a lot more certain. So I'm even going for the small buy on it. So I'm gonna see if this doesn't work out, then we leave it because that's the only thing I can see right now. Pain cone. So what I am saying is, no, I sold here and I bought just now. Literally, I bought just now. Yeah. Look, where's my entry? Yeah. There. Because I'm going for this idea. And my stop loss is just below this week. Well, that's well exited. Yeah, I'm looking for potential buys. Die klank kan bietjie sagter is want ek sit bietjie van die mic af omdat ek eet. What's a week? Hierdie groen week hier onder. Net hierso. If it goes here, I'm leaving it. And then I think we should be done. And then rather target the MSG tomorrow morning. Why is our social link to this account not this visible? Not sure what you mean, brother. I'll have a look after the stream. I'll have a look. Thank you for letting me know. I'll have a look after the stream. War between buyers and sellers. You are 100% correct, sir. 100% correct, you are. Yeah. But tomorrow will be better with, I think we'll have proper breakouts with the MSG method. Proper breakouts. I think it's definitely hitting the stop loss. There's not even two ways about it. Oh yeah, leave it. Just gonna leave it. Yes, I don't think this is gonna be a cup and handle. And price might actually now just come down. So just leave. I wouldn't enter it, guys. Yeah, it will be 2 a.m. 2 a.m. 2 in the morning. 2 in the morning. Two in the morning. All right. I'll see you guys 2 in the morning.